Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can add fonts in the Canva application, because sometimes we need a new fonts or different fonts in the Canva application. So in this video I will show you how you can easily add your new fonts in the Canva application. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open your Canva application, and when you will open your Canva application, you will see three lines on the top left corner. Click on it. So when you will click on it, you will see brand options. Click on it, and then you will see two options, brand kits and brand templates. So click on brand kit options, and then click on again brand kit options, and then scroll down the page, and you will see font options, and also you will see plus options in front of fonts options. So click on plus options, and here you will see three different options: add a text style, upload fonts, add a guidelines. So because you want to upload your new fonts in the Canva, so that's why you will click on upload a fonts. So here you can see I have uploaded different fonts in my Canva application. So keep in mind, you can add your fonts only if you have a admin panel of Canva. So if you are students, you will not be able to upload your fonts in the Canva application. So click on plus option for adding fonts. So click on it, and here you will see three lines on the top left corner. Click on it, and then select the folder on which you have your new fonts. So select the font. So after selecting the font, click on it again, and you will see confirm the following. So click on yes, upload away. So you can see my font is uploading. Here wait some second. So guys, in this way you can upload your fonts in the Canva application. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.